Have you ever looked at your trusty bike and thought like, I wish this thing could go a little faster, conquer those hills with ease, and maybe even extend my range? Well, fret no more, because today we're diving into the exciting world of e-bike conversion kits. These ingenious little packages can transform your regular bicycle into a powerful pedal assist partner. So buckle up and get ready to find the perfect kit to supercharge your riding experience. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Get ready to unleash your inner e-bike explorer with the CYC Motor X1 Stealth, a conversion kit that ignites the thrill of electric riding. This isn't your average kit, it's a powerhouse designed for riders who crave serious performance on any terrain. It boasts a monstrous motor capable of putting out up to a staggering 2,000 watts. That's enough muscle to conquer even the steepest hills and leave you breathless with its acceleration. Imagine cruising effortlessly up mountains that used to leave you gasping for air, or powering through challenging trails with newfound confidence. The X1 Stealth is a mid-drive system, which means the motor sits directly on the bike's frame, providing excellent weight distribution for superior handling. With a whopping 150 Newton-meters of torque, this kit provides incredible pulling power to get you through anything you throw at it. This kit injects a playful element into your rides, transforming commutes into exhilarating experiences and opening up a whole new world of possibilities on the trails. The ZipForce Slim isn't just an e-bike conversion kit, it's an invitation to rediscover the joy of cycling with a touch of effortless assistance. It holds the title of the lightest e-bike conversion kit on the market. This translates to a barely there feeling on your bike, preserving that familiar, natural cycling experience. The ZipForce Slim operates silently, allowing you to enjoy the peacefulness of cycling and the sounds of the environment around you. With a fully charged battery, with a motor limited to 250 watts, and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. This ensures a safe and legal riding experience wherever you go. The ZipForce Slim offers a range of up to 40 kilometers. The ZipForce Slim features a new wireless pedal sensor that mounts directly on your pedal arm, making installation a breeze. The ZipForce Slim's motor cleverly detaches from the bike, offering you the flexibility to choose when you want electric assistance. Imagine this: you love your trusty bike, but sometimes those hills leave you winded or the headwind feels like a constant battle. Enter Scarper, the revolutionary e-bike conversion kit that transforms your beloved bike into a powerful e-bike in a mere click. Scarper ditches the complexity of traditional conversion kits. Forget about intricate wiring, complicated installations, or modifying your bike frame. Scarper boasts a one-click system. Simply attach the pre-assembled unit to your bike's existing disc brake mount and you're ready to roll. It's that easy. Scarper might be compact and lightweight, but don't let its size fool you. This all-in-one unit integrates a powerful motor and battery, delivering a smooth and exhilarating ride. Conquer hills with ease, breeze through headwinds without breaking a sweat, and experience the joy of extended cycling adventures. The innovative design ensures seamless power delivery, eliminating jolts or awkward transitions between pedal and electric assist. It's pure cycling bliss, just with a little extra boost when you need it. Forget bulky add-ons and complicated conversions. The Boost e-bike conversion kit seamlessly integrates with your bike, transforming it into a powerful e-bike that retains its original charm. It's an effortless upgrade that injects a dose of electric power into your rides, without compromising the look and feel of your trusted companion. With a single charge, the Boost e-bike conversion kit unlocks up to 50 kilometers of electric assistance. It's compatible with a wide range of bikes, including non-folding bikes with 26, 27.5, 28, 29-inch, and most 700C wheels, single speed. This means you can transform your existing bike into an e-bike without the need for a whole new ride. The rear-wheel motor design integrates seamlessly with your existing frame, maintaining the clean aesthetics of your bike. The Revo's e-bike kit isn't your average conversion kit. It ditches the traditional hub motor design and embraces a unique friction drive system, offering a compelling alternative for cyclists who value simplicity, a clean aesthetic, and a lightweight feel. Revo's features a compact motor unit that clamps securely to your seat tube, while the roller simply makes contact with your rear tire. This minimalist design makes installation a breeze and keeps maintenance to a minimum. Unlike hub motors that can generate some noise, the Revo's system operates with near-silent friction drive. Weighing in at a mere 2.7 kilograms, the Revo's system is a champion of lightweight conversion kits. The 200-watt-hour battery offers enough power to assist you on commutes, conquer gentle inclines, or simply add a touch of ease to your leisure rides. However, if you're looking for a powerful e-bike that tackles steep hills or boasts extensive range, the Revo's system might not be the strongest contender. The Bafang M410 isn't just a motor. It's the heart and soul of a capable EMTB, designed to elevate your off-road riding experience. Whether you're conquering challenging climbs, navigating technical trails, or exploring uncharted territories, the M410 provides the dependable power and torque you need to push your limits and explore further. It boasts a reliable 250-watt motor, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. It delivers the necessary assist to propel you up steep inclines, through loose terrain, or against strong headwinds. The M410 packs a serious punch with a whopping 80 Nm of torque. This translates to raw pulling power. The M410 is a mid-drive system. This means the motor sits directly on the bike's frame, distributing weight evenly for superior handling and a more natural riding experience. You'll feel more connected to your bike, allowing you to maneuver with precision and confidence on even the trickiest trails. There you have it. 6 e-bike conversion kits that can transform your riding experience. Whether you're looking for power, convenience, or innovation, there's a kit here for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.